Get ready for squishy, splashy fun as little ones dive into mud and play. An exciting, hands-on adventure where toddlers explore the world of farm and zoo animals through messy sensory play. From oinking pigs to roaring lions, kids will love discovering animal sounds, textures, and movements while squishing their fingers in soft, squelchy mud. This playful learning experience boosts creativity, motor skills, and a love for nature in the most delightfully messy way. Watch as your toddler's eyes light up while they... Pandas are bears, scientifically known as Ailuropoda melanoleuca. They are native to China and are considered a national treasure. Pandas have a unique thumb called a pseudo-thumb, which is an enlarged wrist bone that helps them grip bamboo. White tigers are not a separate subspecies, but are the result of a genetic mutation called leucism, which causes a reduction in pigmentation. This mutation affects the production of red and yellow pigments, resulting in their white fur and blue eyes. White tigers hold cultural significance in many societies, often symbolizing power, Roosters are famous for their loud crowing, which serves as a territorial call to announce their presence and ward off rivals. They can crow at any time of day, not just at dawn. Roosters play a key role in establishing the pecking order within a flock, often acting as protectors and leaders. Donkeys have been domesticated for over 5,000 years and were originally found in North Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. They were primarily used for transportation and carrying heavy loads. Donkeys have been domesticated for over 5,000 years and were originally found in North Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. They were primarily used for transportation. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. African elephants can weigh up to 6 to 7 tons, 12,000 to 14,000 pounds, and stand up to 10 to 13 feet tall at the shoulder. Asian elephants are slightly smaller. Elephants have a long lifespan. Geese are known for flying in a distinctive V formation during migration. This formation reduces wind resistance and conserves energy, allowing them to fly longer distances. Geese are highly social animals and form strong family bonds. They often mate for life and are very protective of their partners and offspring. Goats were one of the first animals to be domesticated, around 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. Goats are highly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of environments, from mountains to deserts. Goats have rectangular pupils, which give them a wide field of vision. Zebras are found in a variety of habitats across Africa. Plains zebras inhabit grasslands and savannas, mountain zebras live in mountainous and hilly regions, and Grevy's zebras prefer arid and semi-arid grasslands. Zebras are social animals that live in groups. Plains zebras and mountain zebras typically form small family groups called harems. Chickens were domesticated from the wild red junglefowl in Southeast Asia over 8,000 years ago. They are one of the most common and widespread domestic animals. Chickens have over 30 distinct vocalizations used for communication, including alarm calls, food calls, and mating calls. Chickens have a complex social hierarchy. Lions are the most social of all big cats. They live in groups called prides, which usually consist of related females, their cubs, and a small number of adult males. Lions are highly territorial and mark their territory with scent markings and roaring. A pride's territory can range from 20 to 400 square kilometers, depending on the availability of prey. Bulls are male cattle, Bos taurus, and are part of the Bovidae family, which includes cows, buffalo, and bison. Bulls are larger and more muscular than cows, with some breeds weighing up to 2,400 pounds, 1,100 kilograms. Bulls are symbols of strength, fertility, and power in many cultures, including ancient Greek, Egyptian, and Mesopotamian civilizations. Horses were domesticated around 4000 to 3500 BCE, likely on the steppes of Central Asia. They have played a crucial role in human history, from transportation and agriculture to warfare and sport. Horses communicate through vocalizations, neighs, whinnies, and snorts, body language, and facial expressions. They are highly social animals and form strong bonds with other horses and humans. Rhinos are found in Africa and Asia. White and black rhinos live in Africa, while Indian, Javan, and Sumatran rhinos are native to Asia. Rhinos are among the largest land animals. White rhinos can weigh up to 200-300 kilograms, 5,070 pounds, while Sumatran rhinos are the smallest, weighing around 600 to 950 kilograms. Hamsters are nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night and sleep during the day. This can be a consideration for potential pet owners who are light sleepers or prefer daytime interaction with their pets. Hamsters have large cheek pouches that extend down to their shoulders. They use these pouches to carry food, Giraffes are the tallest mammals on Earth, with males reaching up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters, and females up to 14 feet, 4.3 meters tall. Giraffes are herbivores and primarily feed on leaves, flowers, and from tall trees, especially acacia trees. They can eat up to 75 pounds, 34 kilograms of foliage daily. Flamingos inhabit parts of Africa, Asia, Europe, the Americas, and the Caribbean. They thrive in warm, watery environments like lagoons, estuaries, and salt flats. Flamingos create cone-shaped nests out of mud, stones, and feathers. These nests can be up to 12 inches tall and help keep their eggs safe from flooding and predators. Rams are generally more aggressive and territorial than ewes. They are protective of their flock and will defend against predators. Rams communicate through vocalizations, bleating, body language, and scent markings. They can recognize individual members of their flock and form strong social bonds. Rams have been symbols of strength, power, and fertility in various cultures throughout history. They appear in mythology, religion, Tigers are the largest of all big cat species, with males weighing up to 660 pounds, 300 kilograms, and measuring up to 10 feet, 3 meters in length, including the tail. Tigers are classified as endangered, with fewer than 4,000 individuals left in the wild. Habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict are major threats to their survival. Tigers are primarily nocturnal hunters, using their keen night vision and hearing to locate prey in the dark. Lionesses are the primary hunters in a lion pride. They work together in coordinated groups to stalk and bring down prey, which can include zebras, wild beasts, and buffalo. Lionesses are fiercely territorial. They mark and defend their territory from intruders, including other lions. The size of the territory depends on the availability of prey and water. Lionesses are the primary hunters in a lion pride. Dogs were the first domesticated animals, with evidence suggesting they were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago, possibly even earlier. Dogs have an incredibly powerful sense of smell, with up to 300 million olfactory receptors in their noses, compared to about 6 million in humans. This makes them excellent at tracking scents. Dogs are highly intelligent and can learn commands, solve problems, and even understand human emotions. Some breeds, like border collies and poodles, are particularly known for their intelligence. Watch as your toddler's eyes light up while they feed a muddy pig, give a bath to a toy elephant, or stomp like a rhino through puddles. Each activity is designed to spark curiosity and laughter while teaching animal names, sounds, and habitats. Whether they're scooping mud into a toy tractor or pretending to be a hopping kangaroo, every messy moment is a chance to learn and giggle.